Hi, my name is Raj Ahmed and I am here to explain an important topic of how to find the area. When the question is based on the area, it may be two types. It based on two-dimensional figure or it based on three-dimensional figure. So first we have to identify which type of figure or the question is asking about to finding the area. When the question is based on three-dimensional figure, when the question is the base on three-dimensional figure, so we have to very careful because in three-dimensional figure the area should be two types. One is curved surface area and other one is base area, that is lateral area. So very carefully is asking about finding the area. First we have to differentiate, it may be two-dimensional or it may be three-dimensional figure. So first we have to learn about what is two-dimensional figure and how to find the area of two-dimensional figure. Then we have to learn how to find the area of three-dimensional figure. So the two-dimensional figure, like as the question is asked, or the based on square. Square is a two-dimensional figure, or rectangles is also a two-dimensional figure, or circle is also a two-dimensional figure, or trap, that is trapezium, is also a two-dimensional figure. But for the three-dimensional figure, that is three-dimensional based on, that is sphere, cylinder is also a three-dimensional figure, and cube or cuboid is a three-dimensional figure, cone is also a three-dimensional figure. So before finding the area, we have to identify or we have to very careful which type of area is asked, like in three-dimensional figure, because the question is asking or the statement are changed, like surface area or base area or curved surface area. So we have to very careful before finding the area of three-dimensional figure. But in the two-dimensional figure, it's directly based on the formula. For finding the area of the square, the formula is given by side square, and the property of square is all four sides have equal length, but for finding the area of rectangles, we know that finding the area of rectangle, that is length multiplied by breadth. We have to calculate by using this formula, length into breadth. And in two-dimensional figure, like as rectangle, it may be length is greater than or breadth is greater than length. It may be of two types. It may be length greater than or breadth is greater than. But finding the area of any circle, we have to use the formula of pi r square. So finding the area of circle, we have to use pi r square, where r is the radius and the value of pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. It may be 3.14 or 22 by 7. So in the circle where a point is situated from which all the point of any line joining from this point should be equal, that is called radius r, and this point is called center of this circle. But finding the area of any trap, that is trapezium, so we have to identify when the question is based directly on the trapped base, that is trapezium. So we have to use the formula half base into half sum of parallel side into height. But when the question is based on the figure, so we have to differentiate or identify where this trap is given. Like the figure of trap is maybe of like this, or it may be of like this, or any other format. Here the side this and this, like taken an example of point A to B and C to D. A and B in the trap, A and B both are parallel in the trap. That is condition of the trapezium. What is the condition of trapezium? Both side AB and CD. AB, side AB parallel to side CD. Consider the side length of side AB is A and consider the side of length CD is B and the gap that is height between the parallel side of AB and the CD is H. Consider the height or the gap between the parallel side is H. Then the area of the trap is half into height into sum of parallel side in bracket. That is area of the trap. But here, when the question is based on three-dimensional figure, we have to read very carefully because it may be asked about the curved surface area or the base area. Remember always when the base area is finding, we have to calculate the base area like a cylinder. Like this marker is a cylinder. So we have to calculate the base area. Here is the circle like this. Here is the circle and the area of the circle is pi r square. So which type of question is asked basically? So before finding the area in three-dimensional figure, we have to identify which type of area is asking. It may be curved surface area. When the curved surface area is asking, so we have to find this area, and this area is called as curved surface area for the cylinder, which are given by 2 pi r h. And h the height, what I am saying, like as the cylinder, here we draw a rough diagram of the cylinder, like taking an example like this, and here is this circle, both parts are the circle. When the question, I'm forcing about the how to find the base area. So we have to learn or very careful for finding the area of three-dimensional figure. It may be asking about the curved surface area. So the curved surface area along the length in general form until and unless question does not change, the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h, that is curved surface area, CSA, that is called in short CSA, curved surface area. But what is R and what is H? So R is the radius of the circle in the base. Either it may be here or it may be here. Radius both end should be same. If the end are in taper form like this, so we does not consider like a cylinder. We have to calculate the area for the first term of cone, that is an three-dimensional figure. So but in the cylinder case, we have to calculate the curved surface area by using the formula 2 pi r h, and the base area is pi r square here and pi r square here. But if the question is asking about one part of the cylinder is open, before the question does not saying one part of the cylinder is open, we have to calculate total surface area, that is pi r square and pi r square plus pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. So the lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi r square, that is base area equal to the base area of the cylinder. But when the question is saying that upper part or the lower part of the cylinder is open, so in that case we have to use only pi r square. Also like this figure, for finding the area of a sphere, we have to using the formula of 4 pi r square. But in the cube and the cuboid, we have to read very carefully. Like as here am I drawing the figure of a rough diagram of cuboid. Like taking like this. Here the figure of based on cuboid, that is length and that is breadth, and this side should be height of the cuboid. So before finding the area of any cuboid, it based on curved surface area or the base area. What is the base area in case of cuboid? What is the base area in case of cuboid? So base area means the flat part or the part is in horizontal line. Horizontal line, that is this. And the base area in case of cuboid are given by 2L into B. 2L into B, that is length into breadth. Length into breadth, that is the area of curved base area. But when the question is asking about the curved surface area, that is CSA of cuboid, so we have to use the formula 2H into L plus B. 2H into L plus B, because we have to find the area of the curve. Like taking an example, this room is a cuboid, so we have to find, for finding the area of the cuboid or the curved surface area of the cuboid, we have to find the all four walls area. So area of this wall and this wall should be same, and the area of this wall and this wall should be same. Okay, but before finding the area of the cone in shape, cone are like this structure, like the cap of Santa Claus, like the cap of Santa Claus. So before finding the area of the cone, before finding that, this area should be base area, and that is pi r square, and that area is called curved surface area of the cuboid, that is pi r L. Okay, so before finding the area, we have to very careful. We have to verify which type of shape are given, and if we identify the type of shape given in the particular question, so next step, which type is area is asking to finding. For finding, it may be curved surface area, it may be base area, it may be surface area. When the question is asking about the surface area, we have to use we have to calculate total surface area of the particular question. When the total surface area is calculated, the base area and the curved surface area should be added. The base area of the cylinder is 2 pi r square and the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. We have to add these two parameters. So we are using these two parameters for calculating the total surface area of any particular question. Hope the answer is good. Thank you very much.